Hey everybody, welcome to Everyday Waffles Trail Mix Bonus Edition. So I got a phone call just a little bit ago and I have got now a big day tomorrow. Was not planning on it, but now I have a huge day. So I'm gonna need a little bit of an extra boost tomorrow for damn sure. So I'm gonna do one of my trail mix waffles, which is just basically just throwing in a bunch of extra calories, proteins, and carbs, fiber, a little bit of extra fat in there for me. And I'm in my moo because I was ready for getting winding down. And I was like, well, hell, I better put some clothes on and can't do the show naked. Fucking hilarious. All right, anyway, so let's get going. It's kind of like, yeah, it's like the kitchen sink of things that I'm throwing in here. But first, let me get our Bob's egg replacer. That's the nice part about waffles. I just throw in a combination of things and make it work. It tastes good. So I'm gonna do 3 eggs. Yeah, these trail mix waffles can be kind of tricky because I'm trying to just pack in a bunch of bunch of stuff, make it taste good, make it taste different than just my normal waffle. And I got a really good recipe that I'll share with you guys again that I did in the beginning of the series. It was pretty awesome. You know, I went to I was missing the taste of trail mix, so I went to the store to see if I could get all the ingredients for trail mix and make a waffle. And sure as shit, I made an awesome waffle for trail mix. Oh, it was pretty good. Oh, and this is the day I met this wonderful artist at the grocery store. I think Reaper might have been with me as well. It was a nice day. Okay, so I got my egg replacer going. Yeah, I thought, I'll just show you guys what my little trail mix boost waffle looks like. So here we go. So now I'm just gonna put in a whole bunch of dry ingredients. So I'm gonna start off with a half cup of oat flour, which I do myself, of course, in the Kimberly Freedom KitchenAid. All right, there's half a cup there. That back up. And then I'm gonna also put in a half cup of just regular oats. And then I'm also gonna put in a half a cup of white flour. There we go, and half a cup of that too. And move off to the side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in 1 full scoop of my protein powder in here, just to give me an extra boost. Extra scoop of that. Okay. Now, as far as chia and all that goes, first let me go ahead and put in wait, don't forget, I'm gonna put in a teaspoon, just a little extra, a teaspoon and a skosh baking powder. And well, I got the teaspoon out. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a teaspoon of cinnamon. A nice little flavor there. No, I was thinking about it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna put just a skosh of nutmeg in here too. Just a skosh. Okay, and then I need a teaspoon of salt. And Then now let's move over to my tablespoon of things. Is that about all I need teaspoons for? Yep. Okay. So now I need what do I go with on? Yeah, just 1 tablespoon of each. So a tablespoon of the chia seeds and a tablespoon of the hemp hearts. And then a tablespoon. I know, pretty dense, huh? But that's what it's supposed to be. And then a tablespoon of coconut flakes. Approximation. Come on, coconut flakes. I would put some nuts in here, but I don't have any nuts. Only got 2 of them. That's it. It's not enough for an entire thing. Yeah, I know. Stupid ass jokes. Well, what can I say? Can't resist. Okay, well, I'm going to put a clip on that. So I'll put that to the side. And I think that's it for that. Okay, so now let's get some wet ingredients here. So I'm going to put in, first I'm going to mix up all my dry ingredients. Nice and going for me. Nice and mixed up. And now I'm going to go ahead and just start off with 3/4 cup. We'll see if I need a full cup, not for sure. This one I'm kind of eyeballing. So I'm putting 3/4 cup milk. Just a skosh, a splash, that's it, of the apple cider vinegar. Just going to help with my rise a little bit. And a teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 tablespoon melted butter. Actually, put that over here. Now let's get this bad boy plugged in. They want to plug it in too soon. And we'll put in some honey. Thank you, Jeremy, and the wonderful bees. Alrighty. That'll be a nice drizzle of honey in there. While that's drizzling, put the lid back on. I need to get one of those things for the honey. But I need a second bowl first. I don't like spending money on the kitchen yet. Still figuring out what I need. So far, I think I just need 1 more bowl. That's it. For now. Okay. Make sure I got everything in. This is another good thing about putting stuff away, is I get to make sure I have everything in at that point. Okay, so I'm going to just stir all this up. Definitely tell I can need some more milk in here. Well, actually, no. I don't. It looked like it at first, but the actual no, I do not. So it came up with a real nice consistency. Oh. Okay, so now I'm going to put in, so these are some dried pitted plums. And so I chopped about a handful of these up. Handful, I guess, is a 1/4 cup. Let's say, yeah, 1/4 cup. Ta-da! Was a little bit greasy. Of course, all episodes brought to you by Homo, Sweet Homo. Okay. Now, I've got everything in here. I want this to rest just a little bit. So while that's resting, let me just put a few things away. And we can talk about we can talk about my juicing and what else I do for the day for my nutrients. And I love putting my ingredients into the fridge. Just do. Okay, so I'll bag these up properly in some Ziploc bags here in a little bit. So when I juice and everything else I do through the day, so I told you before I have 1 square of a waffle at night, and then for my dinner, and then I take the other 3 squares, box them up, and put the sauce. Then during the day, I either put it in the microwave for like 35 seconds, and then pull it out and dip it in the sauce, or have it cold. Either way, I like it both. Just love the taste of waffles. And then that's how I eat the waffle. And then I have a full thing of protein shake, and then juice. And juice, really and truly, I like go with the kitchen sink on the juices. I just fill it up full of anything on sale or anything I can find, or what friends give me as far as fruits. And then I've got a whole thing of vegetables in here of all different varieties that go in as well. So it makes it pretty awesome. Okay, hey, let it rest long enough for Bob's egg replacer to get just right. Get that nice binding action going. What's nice is the world is moving over to plant-based fruits, vegetables, grains. It looks like I'll be in the runnings for a sweet, easy transition. Okay, so I have these sparkling sugar. So I wanted to put a little bit of sugar in here, so I thought it'd be cute and put some sparkling. Almost looks like confetti. Just add some fun. A little funness in there. And then I'm going to use butter again. Seeds like vegetables, all sorts of things. And those juices. Okay. Got our butter in there. Now let's get in our waffle mix. Just gonna make a few waffles. I've got enough batter for 3 is what I was hoping for. That's a good amount there. Now with this, what I can easily go with is like a yogurt sauce. So I can just take the Greek yogurt and put something, put a little, I think I might just put a little honey into the Greek yogurt. That'd be nice. And just have that on the side. Excuse me. And yeah, that would be, this is nice little complimentary. So I went through, and I go through like when I do like a trail mix or something, I just want to make sure that I'm getting some good shit in me and not bad shit. I mean, that's the whole thing about the waffle philosophies. If I'm not allowed to, really put a lot of things through the pipes here, I want to make sure they're good stuff. And that's why I do the waffles. Portion control makes my body feel good. I don't have to, well, portion control is a fucking huge ass thing. I love not having to think about this shit. And I get to do everything in one whap. And then if I get a phone call and I'm gonna have to do a lot of extra energy tomorrow, then let me just I'll pull out the ingredients and see what I can come up with. And so then I just plugged all that into the Googles of things, and just pulls me up my list. So it looks like I got 294 calories, about 14 grams protein, 45 carbs, 12 fiber, 18 grams of fats, and that's into each waffle. As this whole batter is divided up. So the protein, this is high in protein. The carb content comes from the oats, flours, and honey. The the fiber, the chia seeds, once again the oats and the plums, and that fat's coming from the hemp hearts, the chia as well, and from the butter. So it's just a nice good recipe. I like these little trail mixes. It's a nice addition to my day, especially when I've been to put out a lot of energy. Because this my diet, my regime, like I say, always don't go by my diet. Go by a diet that's approved by your nutritionist, if you're so lucky to have one. So anyway, the it's all designed to maintain my body weight, the amount that I energy that I output, the um, it just goes with what I do in my day and how it's portioned out. So I mean, I have my waffle, then my juice, and then another waffle, and then a protein shake, and then another waffle. Then I'm drinking my water throughout the day. Keeps my sugar levels balanced. Keeps everything balanced actually. So I don't have any ups and downs and all arounds throughout my day. And then on the times when I fuck shit up, holy crap, can I fuck shit up? Then if I eat like Taco Bell, yep, it's a downfall of mine. And I tend to eat too much. God, it fucking hurts. But the nice part is I just fast if I need to for the next day, just sip it on water, let everything go through, the pipes all clear out. And like today, everything's all strained. But something like this, I can just eat pieces of this throughout and just raise my levels up just a little bit so I can get that extra energy without, having the burn of not enough energy in my system. The last thing I want to do is be out there and crash. All right, well let's get this waffle. I'm gonna try just a bite of it with you guys and get the next one going. Now the smell, the sweet, it's oh, you can just smell those grains, the sweetness. It's all coming through so beautifully. And look at this gorgeous creation. Let me get that next one going before I show you. And I'll post this recipe, of course. Like I said, this is just stuff that I just pulled together. And you can too. A second waffle in there. Okay. Then let's give it a try. You can see just a nice, golden, beautiful, wonderful smell to it. And I'll just, just keep this in a little side container. I'll just take nibbles. Should be pretty awesome. Oh, there's some good prunes in there. Here we go. I like it. It's the right amount. Bye.